You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this village in the Netherlands, famous for its windmills in particular. So let's break down how to say it. If you want to learn more Dutch names that can be a bit confusing, stay tuned to the channel. In Dutch, in the Netherlands, it's pronounced as Kinderdijk. I know it looks like it should be said Kinderdijk, but no, Kinderdijk. Kinderdijk is how it's pronounced, so it's easy in English to pronounce it. English pronunciation, Kinderdijk. Dutch pronunciation, Kinderdijk. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.